yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Alright, hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all, I've got a get ready with me. I am giving you guys some of my best tips. So first, starting off with this unit. This is from Jessie's wig, you guys. The install that I did is very easy. I tried to make it as simple as possible, as beginner friendly as possible, you guys. I knew I wasn't gonna make this unit like completely glueless because it just didn't lay like that on my head. So I would say this is more semi-glueless, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean in just a minute. Loving the color. You guys know I have been loving anything but black lately. Not that I'm always be a black hair kind of girl, but I've definitely been loving the blondes, and this unit from Jessie's wig is right up my alley. I'll put all the details right here for you guys to check out, and also make sure you check the description box. Y'all know I have all the information down there. And when it comes to my little makeup application, y'all, this is basically my go-to right now, what I've been doing for the summertime, and it's just a never fail application for me. It comes out really good, so I think every single time. So yeah, you guys, loving the 26 inches on this unit, loving how everything came out. Let's go ahead and get straight to this video. All right, you guys, so let's get right into this application. So here's everything that Jessie's wig sent me, and this is the honey blonde highlighted unit that we are wearing today. 26 inches body wave. This is 13x4, and I'm going right in and just applying this. I'm not doing anything extra to this unit. You guys just took her right out of the package. It does come pre-plucked a bit for you, so you don't have to deal with that. And this is how the inside looking: combs, adjustable strap, and also a what do you call it, an elastic strap as well for a little bit more security. For my beginners and those who just don't want to do a whole bunch of adhesive, let me show you guys a really good trick. If the wig fits properly on your head but you need that extra security, just do what I'm doing right here. Just apply your adhesive. I'm using my Even spray. It's literally the best lace spray I have used in such a long time, just to the ear tabs, just to the sideburns basically, and that is going to give you the best hold. So just in case you don't want to apply it all over, just do it there. I went on ahead and squirted a little bit on my fingers that you see me doing right here, and just dabbing the top because the wig wasn't laying like as flat as I wanted to, and I could still see the lace. But you guys see right here, the wig is pretty much like, I would say 60-40. It's 60% has a little bit more glue on it or adhesive, and 40% doesn't. But that is my best tip for you guys. Just really make sure those ear tabs, those sideburns, have some adhesive on there, and you don't have to deal with the rest of the lace, you guys. It's too hot to be doing the most. Also, you guys, I used to do this all the time in like 2021. I wasn't so like fixated or do the most, I guess, with my baby hairs if I'm laying my edges, because I like to with my wigs. You do it if you want to. If you don't do it. But when you're laying them, you see how just lightly, like I'm just brushing them very lightly. Just kind of let them go where they're going to go. That's going to give you much more of a natural look, because I'm going to end up lifting them up anyways. I found that whenever I just kind of like quickly lay them and I don't do a lot to my edges when it comes to my wigs, they end up looking so much better. It's kind of like when you just don't think about doing something, or just don't think about doing your makeup, your hair, it always comes out just so much prettier, so much better than when you're really putting a lot of thought into it. I say do the same thing with laying your edges. And as far as styling, I'm just taking my large $29, $30 flat iron that I got off of Amazon, that you guys know by now that I really love, and just doing this unit straight, not like bone straight. I did like 1 or 2 passes per section. It's very full, just so you know. It's got some weight to it. It feels good, and it's not super silky, which I love. And I love the highlights on here, and I really wanted to show that with just the hair being straight. This is a good look, good color as well for summer. So moving right along to how we're doing our makeup today, you guys. First, this is something I just started doing maybe the past 2 or 3 weeks, because I have been breaking out like crazy, is color correcting. I'm not sure if this is the right shade of like orange. It says it's a peach, so it's coming off a little bit more orange on camera, like when I'm looking back at my video, but it's a little bit, it's not so like bright orange like you see. It's more of a peachy shade. I got it from from Target. But it's really helped to kind of camouflage my hyperpigmentation, the little marks that are just being left all over my poor little skin. And also it helps me, especially in the summer. I'm not using as much concealer and foundation, which is perfect because we all know we don't like to use a whole bunch of those things on our faces when it's already hot, it's already humid, or whatever the case may be in the summertime. So I'm going in with something that I shouldn't have done. Y'all, I didn't mix my Makeup by Mario with my concealer because I was like, I wonder if I can get away with doing this all in one step, and I couldn't have, because you guys clearly see, and I knew this was gonna happen, that the Mario shade is just not my color at the moment, but it's okay. I would always rather have something that's a little too light on my face because it's much easier for me to correct that with, you know, some bronzer or something along those lines, which I'm about to do. I'm about to just bronze my face up because, you know, 9 times out of 10, bronzer just makes everything much better. So I do not wear a lot of makeup, you guys, especially in the spring, summer. It's just something I just don't do. And as I get older, I'm really just becoming comfortable with my skin. I don't really care how it's looking at the moment, even though I have a lot of little spots on my face. I will go barefaced. But one thing I'm not doing is not going without any brows. So this is another step I always do. Brows just always make your face just kind of they just pull everything together, and they make you look like you've actually tried without really doing anything. And another thing is, you guys see me adding a little bit of concealer underneath my brows. I do not use a lot of this. I use the smallest amounts of concealer. I think we are so past the days of like these super precise brows, and I am absolutely loving it. And lastly, you guys, the last thing I'm not leaving the house with is some pink blush. I'm using 2 shades of pink. I'm using my NARS and my one by Sephora. Beautiful blushes. I love mixing them together, and I've been loving adding them right underneath my eyes. It just makes me feel like I'm a little bit more awake, and I do have high cheekbones, so I just think it kind of suits me a little bit better. So to finish up this look, I'm about to be really cute running some errands. Well, I'm going to change my shirt as well because it's way too warm to be wearing this long sleeve. But I'm just going to add a little bit of my wax stick to my part, you guys, and hit it with my hot comb. But other than that, that is basically it for this look, you guys. Sometimes not doing the most gives you the best results, and I love how everything came out. So make sure you check the description box. Like I said before, I will put everything down below in the description for you, everything to this unit, the link to this unit. Also, you guys, make sure you stick around. I'm going to show you the final look with doing this hair straight, but I also gave it a little bit of body, a little bit of curls at the end of this video. So make sure you check it out. It's just like 45 seconds or so, but I wanted you guys to see this unit straight, and I wanted you to see it curly as well because it looked beautiful and like just both. So if you want to switch it up, there you go. So thank you guys so much for watching again. I appreciate you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
love and tell me who.